We are solving now question number 19 for the integration of A2 levels for P3. The question statement is express 2 over x plus 1 into x plus 3 in the form of partial fraction. Part 2. Using this answer to the part 1, show that 2 over x plus 1 into x plus 3 whole square is equal to 1 over x plus 1 square minus 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 3 whole square. And last part, hence show that the integration from 0 to 1, 4 over x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3 whole square d of x is equal to 7 over 12 minus ln of 3 over 2. This is the topic of the partial fraction. अब हमें ये पता है कि दोनों फैक्टर्स जो डिनोमिनेटर में हैं they are linear distinct factors. तो जब दोनों distinct linear factors हो और इसको हमने partial fraction में convert करना हो तो we can write this thing as 2 over x plus 1 into x plus 3 should be identical to a over x plus 1 plus b over x plus 3. Let's say it is equation number 1. क्योंकि दोनों डिस्टिंक्ट फैक्टर्स थे इसलिए हमने दोनों के लिए अलग अलग वेरिएबल्स a और b यूज किए। उसके बाद we will write this thing as it is और यहाँ पर अगर हम एलसीएम ले लें x plus 1 into x plus 3 तो a x plus 1 is cancelled by x plus 1 so it should be left there x plus 3. Now b x plus 3 is cancelled by x plus 1 so it should be left there x plus 1. This and this they are cancelled out so 2 is equal to a into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 1 and let's say that is equation number 2. Now for a जिसका डिनोमिनेटर x plus 1 है तो put denominator equal to 0 so x should be equal to minus 1 and we will put this x equal to minus 1 in equation number 2 so 2 is equal to a minus 1 plus 3 plus b 0 so 2 is equal to a into 2 so this implies that a is equal to 1. अब same we will repeat the process for b और b के नीचे था x plus 3 so for b put x plus 3 equal to 0 this implies that x equal to minus 3 in equation number 2 so 2 will be equal to a के साथ 0 आ जाएगा और b के साथ minus 3 plus 1 so 2 is equal to minus 2b or b equal to minus 1 of this expression. So now we got the values of a and b and now we will put it in 1. So this will become a is equal to 1 over x plus 1, b value is minus 1. So the partial fraction for this expression is equal to 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 3 is the answer for this partial fraction. Now, the second part, using your answer to the part, show that 1 over x plus 1 into x plus 3 whole square is equal to 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 3 minus 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 3. Now, this expression will become left hand side 4 over x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3 whole square. Because it is repeated factors there for the linears, this will be written as a over x plus 1 b over x plus 1 square plus c over x plus 3 plus b over x plus 3 whole square. This is the partial fraction of this expression where it is written as 2 over x plus 1 into x plus 3 whole square. Up 4 is equal to a के साथ आ जाएगा x plus 1 into x plus 3 whole square. b के साथ आ जाएगा x plus 3 whole square. c के साथ आ जाएगा x plus 1 into x plus 3 और d के साथ आ जाएगा x plus 1 whole square. After taking LCM and cross, now we can find out the value of b and we can also find the value of e because they are having the highest power here. For a and b, because they are linears, so you can use it by completing a square for this method there. So if you put for b x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 3 into, then you get 4 is equal to this 0 plus x plus 3 whole square. So D answer we can get. So that thing is equal to 4 is equal to 4 is equal to D into minus 4, sorry, minus 3 plus 1 whole square. This implies that 4 is equal to minus 2 square is 4. So D value is equal to 1. Then we are going to put for b value, put x plus 1 equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to minus 1 in the equation number 1. So 4 equal to a with 0, b with equal to minus 1 plus 3 whole square, c with 0 and d with 0. So 4 is equal to minus 2 square is 4, b is equal to 1. So you have calculated the values of b and d there. Now we are going to calculate the value of a and c. For a and c, compare coefficient of x cube into there. So 4 is equal to a for the coefficient of x cube, a plus c. For coefficient of x square, compare the coefficient of x square on both sides. Then our constants on both sides. So here constant is 4. This loss is 3 plus 9b plus 3c plus d. But a is equal to minus c here, and b and d are already calculated. So 4 is equal to 3a plus 9, b value is equal to 1 plus 3, c value is equal to minus a plus d value is equal to 1. So this value will be equal to 9a minus 3a, 6a, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 6a is equal to minus 6, 4 minus 10, or a is equal to minus 1. Then, because a plus c is equal to 0, so a is equal to minus a is equal to c. So this implies that c value is equal to plus 1. So these are the values of a, b, c, d, which we have calculated from this calculation. So our partial fraction will become equivalent to a is there minus 1, so that is equal to minus 1 over x plus 1. P there is equal to 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 whole square. C there is equal to 1 plus 1 over x plus 3, and d there is also equal to 1, so plus 1 over x plus 3 whole square, which is you are going to prove that this thing is equal to this value there. And then the last part, from 0 to 1, so from 0 to 1, 4 over x plus 1 whole square, x plus 3 whole square, d of x is equal to from 0 to 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 square plus 1 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 3 whole square and whole into d of x. So this will become minus 1 over x plus 1 from 0 to 1 d of x plus 1 into x plus 1 power minus 2 d of x. Again, limit from 0 to 1. Then plus 1 over x plus 3 d of x from 0 to 1 and plus 1 x plus 3 whole square. This will become minus 2 into d of x. So this will become minus 1 ln of x plus 1 plus x plus 1 power minus 1 over minus 1 plus ln of x plus 3 plus x plus 3 power minus 1 over minus 1 or whole limit is 0 to 1. This will become ln of x plus 3 minus ln of x plus 2, because this is positive, this is negative, so we write it one time, minus 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 3, and the limits are 0 to 1. For this, we put first 1 in this equation. So ln of 1 plus 3 minus ln of 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 3 minus, we put 0 in it, ln of 0 plus 3 minus ln of 0 plus 1 minus 1 over 0 minus 1 minus 1 over 0 plus 3. This conversion will be equal to log of 4 minus log of 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4 minus log of 3 minus log of 1 minus 1 over 1 is 1 and minus 1 over. So that thing is equivalent to log of 4 minus log of 2. So we can write it as log of 4 over 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus log of 3 minus log of 1 is 0 here. So it should be log of 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 4 over 3. So this will become log of 2 minus 3 by 4 minus log of 3 plus 4 over 3. This will become log of 2 by 3 minus plus 4 over 3 minus 3 over 4. This thing is equal to log of 2 by 3 minus plus 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16 minus 9, 7 over. So this is the answer for the last part of this question statement there. That thing we can write it as 7 over 12 minus, write it plus there, log of 3 over 2 power minus 1. Then we have to prove it. 7 over 12 minus log of 3 over 2. This is the final part which you have to prove for this question, for this integration there, which have used the partial fraction, and then with the partial fraction we have taken the square of both on the left hand side and we have proved it equal to this, and then finally the integration of this from 0 to 1, and the final answer is 7 over 12 minus log of 3 over 2.